This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with the Miele Incognito dishwasher that has 5 lights flashing, and it goes just part way through a cycle, stops, and then the 5 lights start flashing. It's an F01 error, and that means that the temperature sensor may have a short and probably needs to be replaced, or the connector might be corroded. So I've taken off the lower kick panel, and then right there in front of me on the Incognito, that's the temperature probe and sensor. I'm going to pull it out just to show you how easy it is to pull out and put back in. It just goes inside of a rubber grommet. You can just push it back in. And then we're also going to undo the electrical connector and make sure it's clean. You can spray some electrical cleaner in there, make sure that's okay, and put it back. On this dishwasher, it actually wasn't the dishwasher causing the fault, but it was the water heater was stuck on full blast, and the water temperature coming in, instead of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, it was 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and that caused the error. So it could be something to check. We noticed that the water heater pressure relief valve was shooting water out, and the water heater was just stuck on full blast. Could be what's causing your Miele dishwasher to have the first 5 program lights flash. Or also could be this sensor, which you can get from Miele USA. Just put in give them your model number and tell them you need you need the temperature sensor, and they can send it to you. And again, really easy to put in. You just take off the bottom panel called the kick panel or toe panel, and then you take off a little metal panel in front, and then right there is your temperature sensor. You can just pull it out. It's good to get the water out of that little sump area first, because otherwise water will pour into the pan. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thank you.